any for a movie be a quava shrunk so about Ghana politics avenue. So you best Obibia say Afe and Wabijumeti Kessie so like share subscribe to the channel and send a political trending news via Elko Ebebiano Ghana politics avenue. So yen so ya depend see a break a better for any for a for your political highway so is Mibri and your Sokote. It be a science here, you know, a year. Mashibe Kumano, I see a more minority a year leaders no NPP for no ministers no yenim the Ekekako Eba. The Siano Excavators 120 and not Marcos Sporty or mining site at Chegalam safe for us on a Busabu questions now. Top NPP a gurus and a ministers be Yabu Mudin Kevin Taylor offer by only the BIA details or car or the Biba. Or no, and now come a cura a one so that a baby excavators necessino, or also and now come our sport here or the other to put up for me uncle Nyokote in Sema or a farm middle Bibia assay.
Ama Kofi Bua or say over 1,200 excavators are now being tracked and geofenced. And there about 1,200 excavators, yet the tracker boom and are buying him or movement in our Ghana. This is an improvement. It is better than criminals opening the forests, virgin forests for Chemawuntumi and his cronies to enter and to destroy. We are getting there. Slowly, I go 2,000, now I got 3,000, now I got 4,000. It will get to a point, every single excavator in Ghana will be tracked. As we speak now, the lands minister Kacha say about 1,200 excavators are buying to meet Accra and monitor baby omoye, di omoye, ye two, a jina, a free air vicinity, a ye juma, across another place. Today, as we speak, the government is making inroads. The fight against Galamsey is not a joke. You need to take it up strategically. You need to be tactically right about it. Naimos is on the ground, boots on the ground, fighting these criminals on the ground, destroying the forest. We also need to be in the boardroom to be monitoring from above how the excavators are moving, because the earth moving equipment, excavators, it is difficult to track them. In Sunday, 1,200 excavators are buying it to because you monitor omo, you nimbebi obia tua, you nimbebi okwa. Then it's a good progress. Now, in the next 2, 3, 4 months or a year, now say kakra into the next 2 months, next year another 300 count, 200 count. At a point in time, the government of the day will know every movement excavator we have been making in Ghana. This is very impressive. Makachira will say a few ministers are standing out, and interestingly, Omonombe inherited one of the biggest and difficult ministries under John Mahama. One typical ministry and a difficult part, a land ministry. And Ama Kofi Bua, for some reason, has been exceptional. Upon all the ganging against him, I know all that is happening. I know all that is happening. Me, I know more than you people think I know when it comes to this government. I know all. I am gathering what I have to gather. By next year, by March, I will make sure they are sacked. I have them on my list. So I have details in this government. I know. Moi, rent bloggers say, protect him image. We know all. One of the finest ministers in Ghana, one of the most difficult ministries, Ama Kofi Bua. 3 or 4. Ama Kofi Bua, Jinapo, and there's no doomsaw in Ghana. John Jinapo, and there's no doomsaw. Well, doomsaw. It is a difficult sector. The health ministry today, and the rampant misbehavior of some people, health personnel, the politicization and the health sector, and it has gone down. Akando has worked extremely hard. There are some ministers who are working. Your environment ministers who are doing extraordinary job. Afotofi, the transport minister and his deputy, and look at the job they are doing at the transport ministry. I saw videos of the deputy transport minister all the way in Turkey, going to India, bringing in new metro buses. This is what we call, people are working. People are trying to change the system. We have ministers who are working. Akuffo is doing extraordinary. Some too are very, are so caught up in the moment. They still are caught up in the moment. But some people inherited very difficult ministries. But they have made something good or good come out of it. We have seen all the agenda. You see stories like these. Where's the story? I saw a story, and the story was that Land minority call for Ama Boas removal baseless. Land ministry. And I can tell you on authority, there are people in the NDC almost Ama Kofi Boa are losing a job, and I know because Ama Kofi Boa is not allowing them to use some of the appointees to go into our forests and also destroy some of our lands. And there are some people even in the NDC who are fighting against. Hey, if you people want somebody who's supposed to be sacked, is the forest commissioner, the commissioner of forest. Yes, that guy who is in charge of forest commission, he's a crook. And I'll come and prove it on my show. The guy who is in charge of forest commission, he's a liar. He's a crook. He's a thief. And I will make sure that guy is exposed to the core. Mupobia Pamona. Mupobia, as we speak today, or destroy Ghana forester, or signing dubious contracts. It is the forest commissioner, the guy in charge of forest commission. He's a criminal. And that is the guy, Mupobia Maya Pamona, Munkonosu. That thief. And me, I've held back because if I try to strike, people will say, because I want to do this, I want to do that, so I've held back. But if you NDC for one more NDC, because of the job Ama Kofi Boa is doing, the exceptional job, and the president is very happy about his job, I'm going to say, we using the minority to try and get him out of that position. You cannot get him out of the position. And some of you, the ministers, who are part of this thing, this nonsense, me say, Mupobia and the fight against Galamsey the forest commission, forest commission, the CEO, that guy. On in the fight against corruption, ding. That guy will destroy John Mahama's government. He's a dangerous guy. Dubious things that guy is doing in that office. And me, I just don't speak. I will come and prove it. Yeah. You people think, say, you can work with the NPP guys because they have money. And those are the people you are going to let them infiltrate this government and destroy this government track record. I will expose all of you. And I can tell you for a reason, for fact, none of you can destroy John Mahama. None of you. From the Jubilee House to the party headquarters, nobody can stand John Mahama today. So it's better you join John Mahama, build this nation. Obi any shoulder. Nobody has shoulder. It is better you people come to that realization that you need to work as a team. When people are working well and they are getting all the praises because of their hard work, you, these same people, some of you are conniving with the MPP to try and destroy people. The businessmen, those people in party, we know more than you people think we know. And see, if you people want to fight illegal mining, start from the Forest Commission. The CEO of Forest Commission, he is the one. In Kwasiadia, people are still mining in the forest, going and cutting trees. That guy. Mama, first warning, I'll be back to this matter. Yeah, I picked my phone. When I saw the nonsense this guy was doing, I picked my own phone and I texted him. And I said, you know something? Me, I hate these things. When I texted him, Mum Kanchan is on checking the phone. I said, good evening, sir. With all due respect, boss, I have been monitoring and also receiving complaints at your commission. Please, let us all try and protect this government and the president. Do the right thing so that you don't fall victim. Thank you. I sent this message to the guy. I did it. And this message was sent, I mean, show date, I'm sending the message away. I sent this message 30th of July 2025. I sent it to his phone. I don't need anybody's dime. We just want this country to breathe. We want people to be saved. I can put his phone number on the screen. Forestry Commission, your friend Brown. His last number is 004. The last 4 digits, 8004. That is his number. I sent him that text. He read it. I told him. I gave him all the respect. We are not sitting here and making it look like we are behind anybody. We want you people to do the job. If you can't do the fucking job, get the fuck out and let people come in. There are some appointees. Sometimes you see them and I'll put their picture. Me, I'm crazy. No amount of bloggers in Ghana can any appointee use against me. Nobody. No amount of bloggers. If you're a John Mahama appointee, you can appoint 50,000 bloggers. I'll use 24 hours. I'll nullify all of them. Appointee getting a blogger against me. Oh, bodam. Now, blogger nankasa, baby oye jumano, ni CEO no, ono opamechew. Sa blogger na uko tiane kase go and write things on Facebook no. Baby otiye jumano, sa blogger na ni hufi no. Baby otiye jumano, sa CEO no, he begs me, he's my friend. Oh, bodam. Do you think it's a joke? One year duane na be bow, dia ubedi. Sa blogger na dia ubedi, I can take it away from his mouth. Metume yina nu duane efri ne num. Hey, you people should don't fucking fuck with anybody. You are bred to get to this point. Oh, Master, you have no idea. Me see no appointee. Me see you can bring 50,000 bloggers. I'll use 24 hours. I will nullify all of them and nobody's going to eat again. Do you know how power came by? Do you people understand? When we sit here and we say we support John Mahama, we believe John Mahama because of John Mahama. Do you know how power came? Do you know what is power? Do you know where power came from? Do you know what brought power? Do you understand power? Do you know where it came from? Some of you, I watch you. You have no idea. You have no knowledge about how this power came. You have no idea. And idea winning, do not tempt it. Idea winning baby free buy, don't tempt it. If I have to get rid of you to protect John Mahama, I'll get rid of you. I am sending this warning out to all of you. If I have to get rid of you and keep John Mahama, the power, and keep the government running for Ghanaians to get something better out of it, I will do it. It does not matter who you are. It is better you do what is right. If you can't, get the fuck out. Because without you, we can move. You don't know where this came from. People cried in their rooms. Oh. People cried to their God. People at a point, they had to bet with their God. People had to stand before God and bet with their God. Before power came. You think it's a joke? Oh, bodam. You have no idea. People had to stand before their own God. God who created them and doubted him. And then had to bet with that God, say, this has to change. You think it's a joke? It is not. Me, I will nullify anybody to keep JM in power. I will sacrifice you. I don't care who you are. You will have no idea. 3 hours, 19 minutes. Now, I have 1 or 2 stories. Them upon I ended Wednesday. Because we for time no day. And this is also good story, good news. If you paid 1,000 Ghana cedis, where TV3 news for and I want to react to it. I'm gonna say, if you paid 1,000 Ghana cedis a month of electricity in 2025, the same usage will cost you 1,306 in 2026. Almost say, on my analysis, say 2025, say auto prepaid 1,000, and now we use ya. Or sort here say, sir, prepaid now auto say 50 DNDO. Obeto the same prepaid no 1,300 or 2026. The question is, can you so? Say can you so no problem. Say meto prepaid 500. Na minya kania de. Kameto prepaid 1,300. Na minya kania. Because se mejuma ekoso. me salon ne koso, me hairdressing ne koso, sa me barbering shop ne koso, sa me welder ejuma me yede koso a, na se customers ne ba, na me kan ye gina so a, I will make money. So it is not about whether I'm paying 1,000 or 1,003. It is about the consistency in energy. And as far as the NDC is going to keep the lights on, and my business is going to go on, I can buy prepaid and I'm told 1,000 in 2025. Now I'm told 2,000 in 2026. I am fine as far as the power is stable. For a long time, near the doom somu, na pokwasi penny catcher say, Yana ya jini say that doom somu, young complaining and fan ho, asantini this year, ya young kwasia for. And for 1 year, we have had stable electricity under a government. I don't care how much you sell electricity to me. Over America, light boy ding. The reason why they don't complain is because it is consistent and stable. Kwasia. Mamen can be too trim. Over United States of America, kanya boy a ding. The reason why into America won't complain is say endum. Into as far as kanya boy a ding, krana say enduma, I am good. Into Ghana for will take consistent electricity that is expensive, than no electricity that is also expensive. Into me mamati we are ready and we are down. We need the lights on. We will buy. Share. Akuffo aduma be able who aban mu, o be able who governance mu. Na first yenti ase. Ready. Ekana eda ECG na enkwasiafo eja no ho no. We need to solve a cano. I was see a tia. And many women na see a tia if you say, ya na de Jimmy na kwasi ade to me ma MPP for. Until we are reaping what we sow. Until sa born na ye did in 2016, esa did in 2020 no. Ya was see a tia ho ka. Until if today we are paying so much for lights and the light is stable, we should not cry. We should pay. Say next time we will not give power to the same stupid people who made this light expensive. It is simple as that. Until this is nothing. Obiabunfu ye okay. And the bronya ba ye yemu hihye kania gina so party egina so ye twi egina so ye ndum kania obi antumi wiaye phone e say how na saying me say America kra kania boy ding America kania boy ding. The reason why tia wo hu say America for e kasa kania ho ne say endum na kania ni ndum a wo how na saying edum dia e na betumai dede kania ni ndum to maintain your level adole. Now see this. The Greater Accra Regional Minister is also doing a marvelous, fantastic job. Also, some resistance be from some group of people. From the beginning, na MPP for you to bet my tata and Kraniba and near Dinche Moko. Linda Okulu and Kraniba, okay, Gamashi, Shito, Epele, what you say? Nenia Dinse Abedi Pele, ain. I said, shito, Gamashi, Bibio, Awula, Epele, just said the near Dincha Bedi. All assemblies are required to complete installation of street lights and submit a brief report to the Regional Coordinating Council by end of this week. She is Brighton Accra. Okeja to Kanyani Jinaso, Obabesia, me unsana MPP for person who I'm so hey, Okaja was a more bot down. No. Gabibio Awula Linda Okulu Ebulu Chon MPP mean stay back and develop Gabibio brightness or where Juma Bema way Bema Nifie a multi jinem no muke Jumano or say bronya way and crying can't pay Kanyani Jinaso domi eta a Jinaso NPA case man can't. He did not charge a single OMCs. 36 OMCs who were the victims. Yes, 30 Sikafi Omono. Kisie Jabe did not charge even a single one of them. I'm sure there. Let me read the charges to you. The catch you. Kisie Jabe or a dangerous guy. Mustafa Hamid Mo. They have discussed this matter. They know what they are doing. What do you say with Jimmy? What ton case, you know? Yeah. This is the charge sheet. Thank you, Mr. S. Now, make sure they couldn't hear. Mustafa Hamid, the lawyers, OSP, they've planned this a long time ago. They'll work and OSP will blame the courts. Now, the charge sheet in the Superior Court of Judicature, in the High Court of Justice, Criminal Division, Greater Accra Region, Accra AD 2025, Oba Sewa, the Republic versus Mustafa Abdul Hamid, Jacob Kwabena Amwani, Wendy Newman, Albert Ankra, Isaac Mensah, Bright Bediakon, Kweku Abuajiakwa, Propnest Limited, Kel Logistics Limited, Kings Energy Limited. 1. In this study, Omwa Odiom Kujina Quarter. Kings Energy Limited, Mr. P, Mr. S, pull out the investigation. Kings Energy Limited, what they actually said about a extortion on yeah. You don't know Kisie Jabin. Now let's go into the list. I mention Kings Energy Limited, Sika Omutiaye. Kisie Jabin or your Konkanu Crow, Kisie Jabin, Obe Plebusa Koko, Mumwe Jimia Manukra. Now let's find Kings Energy Limited. Kings Energy Limited. Kings Energy Limited. Kings Energy Limited. Kel Logistics. Ewo a charge sheet in him. 1 second. There's Kel Logistics Limited and Kings Energy Limited. Right. Now, Osha list in Kings Energy Limited. Ewo a Kel Logistics. Kel Logistics. You started for Kel Logistics. Number 24. Omutia 350,000. Mr. S, Mr. P. Go into the interrogation document. What Kel Logistics, when they were questioned, their statement, I will prove something to you. Now we are looking for Kings Energy. And I'm all right, Meba. I need to be sure. Kings Energy Limited. Now, Kings Energy Limited, let me show you where it's.
Now, Akuffo insure BBR or Jebresh material between Professor. Yellow BBR, say, I know we are Ghana politics avenue. So, am I ready for you? Go to our channel, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and send me a political trending news via Elko Ever. Yes, so you had the pretty say that better more ya better for and what did you ma and why you material above. Now, Akuffo insure BBR or Jebresh material between Professor. The best of some some cabin so I shall comment section or senior vitamin or Eddie Moon Kitamudi, Nadia Kakubiano, so Yachidam with the echo and the air by Akuffo Shauna, and a Ghana politics have been Benjamin Quine, not the mercy, Macro BBR.